Good morning, welcome to the last day on this job. It's been a long time coming with all the weather that I've battled against, but today I'm almost written in the stars. It's a lovely sunny morning. So got the new soil, new bag left. Gonna get that over there, we'll get that tilled like I said on the last video, get that sown in and give it a clean up and we'll be good to go. You may be able to see, I'll show you a bit later, we've got a bit of the grass seed and the clover seed and the wildflower seed coming through down here. So the thing is, when you're seeding a lawn, you're never going to get it all completely in one go. So I need to let this establish for a couple of months. So we're late October now, and then come back in the spring, see where the patches are, because there will be patches. I mean, I can already see where birds have been in and eaten some of it already, and where it's not taken. So then we'll have a little re-establish with some more seed back in springtime. But at least that's coming through now, which is a very nice sign. Anyway, enough chat. Let's crack on over there. So as you've seen, that's all been levelled, compacted, tilthed and sown with the seed. Also just gone back over this side here with a bit extra seed while I had it in the spreader. So I'm just going to leave that for a bit, have a bit of a tidy up. So it just started raining obviously when I started hosing down, which is sod's law. But yeah, I'll just let that be for a bit, probably have an early lunch, have a tidy up, and then I'll walk around these sleepers and just give them one final sponge off, give them a nice clean. I know the leaves are just going to fall back on them, but at least I can leave it in a nice condition as I can. We are autumn, we are going to get leaves and everything blowing around, unfortunately. But yeah, that's the bulk of it already in now. So the job is done. It's absolutely chucked down today. The forecast was meant to be sunny, same as tomorrow, same as the day after, and it's meant to rain 3 days time. I give up the forecast. This is just ridiculous. I had visions of some really sexy slow-mo shots, you know, just cleaned off the sleepers, the sun reflecting, you know, off the clean wet edge of it, and some nice slow-mo, but unfortunately you're stuck with this. It's wet, it's chucked it down. The good news is all the seed is in. As you've seen, we got some of the seed from about 10 days ago is coming up on this side. This side will probably come up a bit quicker, I'd imagine, because this time of year, if we do get this sun, this side here, where my finger is, gets all the sun this time of year. It's the sunnier side of the garden until we get back to spring, summer, when the sun gets more overhead. So that should hopefully germinate a bit more when we get some sunshine. So everything's cleaned up. I will be back here probably from February next year. This customer is going to be a new maintenance customer of mine, which is good news. So I can give you an update in about, I don't know, 4 months time, 3 months time, show you how the grass is growing, how the plant's all developing, how it's all looking. We'll get a jet wash, power wash going on here on the patio and on that stonework there. I'm a bit loath to do it at the moment because if I, you know, risk of blowing the seeds and the soil away. So that'd be fine to know. It's had a rinse down and a broom over, but we'll give that a good power washing early next year when we can get back on here and this is sort of settled a bit, compacted a bit more. So yeah, don't forget I've got a merch R store. Help support the channel. There's lots of merchandise on there. There's hats, there's jackets, shirts, and laptop cases, phone cases, drinks, water bottles, all the rest of it. Help support the channel. There's some great stuff on there. I'll send the link up here now. So yeah, my merch R store. Other than that, if you like the video, like it, please subscribe to it, subscribe to the channel, and we've got some great projects coming up, some more wildlife friendly ponds coming up. So stay tuned for those. Until then, bye bye.